All right. This is Highlander 2010. This guy is having steering. That's like how would if you know this kind of noise, it's clink clink clunk clunk, clink clink clunk clunk. Sometimes you might think it's the legs, it's the shocks. You might think it's the suspension system that is faulty. You don't know that it's coming from the steering. Okay, this is a Lantra 2014. Yeah, this guy is also having the same problem. Same steering noise. No, all these cars, they are electric steering. It is very clear. It's also having the same problem. All these cars use electric steering. Those cars that use all this pump, you know, the one that engine spin the pump, those ones that use hydraulic, don't normally have this kind of issue. If this kind of issue occurs in the steering column, we are going to start with this particular car, which is So this is electric steering for Camry 2012. Have you seen it? Yeah.
So now we are about to dismantle it to see what is the error inside.
Okay. As you can see, this is the steering bushing. As you can see, this steering bushing has been damaged.
So now we need to clean all the old particles that is inside before we replace it with new one.
We are going to replace it with this. As you can see, this exactly, but this one has been damaged. Can you see? Don't tight it strong at once. You have to tight it randomly, equally. Okay, since 3 of them down and then we have to lock it now.
Now we are done with the coupling, so we have to fix it back. Alright, we are done with the car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video.